Hello friends, hope you all are doing fine and welcome to our Your Awesome channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to bounce back in life after setback. In life, as we grow old, we need to face many difficult situations. During our grown-up days, we need to deal with studies. During our most productive years, we need to deal with jobs, then family, children, their studies, and marriage. During old age, we need to deal with retirement and grandchildren, etc. If you talk about the current situation where millions have lost their jobs due to coronavirus and lockdown, you can certainly say life is uncertain and unpredictable. We all suffer setbacks, and yes, we don't like those situations. Nevertheless, setbacks are a part of life. If you feel demotivated due to job loss or heartbreak or any other reasons, then watch this video till the end. First, we need to understand whatever is happening in life because of the reason. Sometimes we can understand those reasons, sometimes it's beyond our understanding. So, let's see ways through which we can bounce back on track after setbacks. Step 1. Know where you want to go. Let's be honest and let's face it, we have suffered a major setback. Now we lack motivation and feel extremely low in life. So, what shall we do about this? Because no one is going to come and rescue us. We need to seek our own path and we must walk our own path. Know that difficult situations will always come in life, as there is nothing like a smooth mountain. We will face difficult people and situations. They will be a part of our life. So, get up, dust yourself and get some clear vision. Know exactly where you want to go, where you want to reach in the next 6 months, 1 year or in the next 3 years. Because successful people are those who despite past setbacks will make plans. They know exactly where they want to reach next. They know how to rebuild their life. So, say to yourself, yes, I will rebuild my life once again and I fear no one. Step 2. Write down your exact visions and goals. We have said our visions and goals. They are inside our mind. We can see them and think about them often. Now, they must come out of our mind in the physical forms. So, the next important step is we must write down our visions and goals. We must write down exactly what you want from life. For example, don't write, I want lots of money, but write, I want 10 million in my life by 31st of December 2020. And I will achieve this 10 million by learning and doing this and that. During this process, goals should be clear and focused one. Because with your focus, we become like a laser-targeted missile. Another point to remember, don't just write about financial goals, but also mention business, career, relationship, traveling, bike, car, and home goals. Write in a simple way, write in any language you are comfortable with, and be very specific and to the point. Write your goals daily and read them often. Step 3. Feed your mind with positive thoughts and take actions. During this time, we will highly recommend you to stay away from any sort of negativity. It's our personal opinion, as this is the crucial stage and you are trying to rebuild your life. Therefore, no negativity should be allowed. In fact, we would like to advise you to stop watching any television programs or any negative news reports. Just shut your TV for the next 90 days to 5 months. We can take the help of self-improvement books, podcasts, videos, mentors through which we can get inspiration. And if you keep our eyes and mind open, you will see great opportunities all around. It doesn't matter how we get inspiration. Just open up and see around. Just start taking actions. Over time, your action will start giving dividends to you one by one. For example, go online and start your business from home. You can do more things by sitting in front of laptop and mobile than probably going out. Try these things from home. Start a blog, start a YouTube channel, start a podcast channel, start stock investment, start e-commerce website, start affiliate marketing, offer online consulting or online course. Step 4. Eat healthy food. We always believe in eating healthy food. The more you build a habit of eating well-balanced food, the better your health will be. In our diet, we must include fruits and vegetables. We need to reduce oil, sugar, and salt intake. Foods plays a major role in our life. We are what we eat. Eating fruits and boiled vegetables instead of potato chips will be far better for health. Drinking fruit juice, lime juice instead of alcohol or cold drinks is a much better option. Step 5. Exercise on daily basis. As someone said once, health is wealth, which is 100% true. During this stage, we need to take care of our body and mind. Having great health will go a long way. We need to devote at least 30 minutes daily for physical exercise. In fact, there are so many alternatives when it comes to exercise, like yoga, stretching exercise, weightlifting, cycling, and walking. Even a simple exercise like walking early in the morning is of great help. It will help to burn calories and you will stay focused towards your goals. Having great health boosts our confidence and productivity. A person who is fit physically and mentally can work and take more risks in life. And to rebuild our lives, we all need to take some calculated risks. Conclusion. Remember, if you want to bounce back after a setback, always make clear decisions. Know exactly what you want to achieve and ways through which you will achieve them. Spend most of your time improving and learning new skills. Do some networking. The more you practice and learn about your trade, better your chances will be. Hope you have liked today's video and understood the topic well. If you have any question related to the topic, you can comment below. Thanks for the support and love, and always remember, you're awesome!